going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mustang here. We got up really early to go fishing, and then the weather went to crap. So we're up for no reason. But now the weather looks like it's holding out for us. And my lovely girlfriend got me a set of window louvers for my birthday and gave them to me early because I ruined the surprise. So we have some rear window louvers that we can be putting on. So I'll be doing that here in about a minute, and yeah, should be fun.
Jesus Christ is my nigga.
Well, we tried, but looks like it's trying to rain again. I'll probably have to postpone this one until another day. Alright guys, day 2. It's a lot nicer out today. My hair looks like crap because I'm fresh out of bed. But let's get back to the louvers. Alright, so now you can tell that we took off our stickers. Now we have alcohol prep pads. And I'm just going to open one up real quick. We are going to take our prep pad and just wipe down the whole sides of the window where we're going to have our louvers attached. So we're going to do that, and then we'll go get the louver. Alright, now you can tell we have wiped alcohol all around the whole window, and then I wiped everything up with a microfiber. Still looks kind of dirty, but that's because the inside's dirty. I need to clean the whole car. But now we are going to go get our 3M sticky backed brackets, and they are going to stick it right on here. We're going to silicone around them and then bolt our louver to the window. Alright, so now that we have the window done, we have all these brackets right here. Let me get one out for you. These brackets are what are going to hold it on. But they've got these little nuts right here. They're 8mm. You got to take these off. Once you take them off, you're going to put them right through this hole and bolt it down. And once you have them all around everywhere, you're going to peel off the 3M backing, use some adhesion promoter, and you're going to lay this down on the window. You only get like one shot, so
you only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better
make sure you lay it down there where you need it. But once you lay it down, you're going to take all these nuts off again, and you're going to pull this up, and you're going to take some clear silicone, and you don't need a lot, but you're going to clear silicone all the way around the edges of this. It'll hold better, it'll keep moisture out, it'll be just a stronger connection to the window. And that's going to have to take about 24 hours. I'm just going to do 24 hours to cure. And after that, you can bolt this back on and you're good to go. So let's get started. now that we're done with the adhesion promoter, we can slap this bad boy on and get her lined up. Alright, this is where it'd be handy to have two hands, or two sets of hands. I have two hands. But, just gonna line it up, it shouldn't be too difficult. Check everything, make sure it looks right. I think it looks good to me. I'll press them all down. Alright, and now we're going to take off all the little nuts. Well, we got a little bit of an issue. One of our studs popped off, but I think we can put a little bit of epoxy on that and fix that. Alright, so now that we got all of our brackets laid on our window, we're going to take this silicone. There's a little thingy in here too, little tip, and there's a tip, and we're just going to squirt it around the edges here, around all of these, and that'll help hold them in. It'll help keep the water out, make it a little bit more secure. Just start laying down our silicone. Just like that. No, we're gonna do that to all of them.
Later.
And here we have the finished product with the window louvers and the blacked out spoiler. I think it turned out pretty good. Yeah, I want to get a different spoiler, but for right now I don't have the $500 I want for that spoiler, so we blacked out the stock one. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it. We are gonna finish getting the car detailed, and we're gonna go to a little car meet, and I'll post that meet up probably sometime next week. But all right, peace. Here's the sticker god putting on.
Can't get the stickers.
1 hour later.
A moment of silence here. I'm a professional sticker installer.
We have a legend in the building.
2 hours later.
This is when I start the cross get shit out of them. Yeah, and then your stickers come out in half.
He's halfway there. Will he get it all the way?
Like a documentary.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Back in my day.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna cut it with like SpongeBob ones.
Professional sticker installer. This takes quality and time. Yeah.
1 eternity later.
You're already up to 50.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Well, I pay him to try it later. There's your 50 seconds.